George Carlin once wrote, "People say I'm going to sleep now," as if it were nothing. But it's really a bizarre activity. While the sun is gone for the next several hours, I'm going to become unconscious, temporarily losing command over everything I know and understand. When the sun returns, I will resume my life. There's this common belief that when you are asleep, the brain shuts off, the body lies down, and nothing happens. But that's not the case. Sleep is an active period in which a lot of important processing, restoration, and strengthening occurs. And how this happens and why our bodies are programmed for such a long period of slumber is still somewhat of a mystery. But scientists do understand some of sleep's critical functions and why we need it for optimal health and well being. When we don't get enough sleep, everything from our brain functions to muscle growth gets threatened. A person's quality of life can be disrupted due to many different reasons, and one important yet underestimated cause for that is sleep loss. Prolonged sleep deprivation in normal subjects induces altered state of consciousness, numerous brief episodes of overwhelming sleep, and loss of cognitive and motor functions. We all know about the dangerous drowsy driver, and we have heard about sleep deprived British pilots who crashed their planes while flying home from the war zone during Second World War. The reason behind that was psychomotor vigilance lapses. Research indicates increased sleep deficit correlates with deteriorated alertness, slow problem solving, declined psychomotor skills, and increased rate of false responding. This was the data of motor vehicle accidents. And if we talk about industrial or work related accidents, the results are eye opening. According to an article published by Sleep Foundation, highly sleepy workers are 70% more likely to be involved in accidents than non-sleepy workers. In one Swedish study of nearly 50,000 people, those with sleep problems were nearly twice as likely to die in a work-related accidents. The sleep deprivation is very common in a lot of workplaces because of longer work hours and shifts, which begs the question for how long a person can stay awake. In 1965, a 17-year-old high school student, Randy Gardner, set the world record of staying awake for 11 days. There are other research subjects that have remained awake for 8 to 10 days in carefully monitored experiments. None of these individuals experienced serious medical, neurological, psychological, physiological problems. But on the other hand, all of them showed progressive and significant deficit in concentration, motivation, perception, and other higher mental processes as the duration of sleep deprivation increased. Randy Gardner was awake but basically cognitively dysfunctional at the end of experiment. It's a common belief that you are doing pretty fine with 5 hours of sleep, you are functioning normally in your daily tasks and you are fit. The implication is if you are getting plenty of sleep, you are somehow missing out on your life's greatest potential and all the things that you could be doing for earning some extra income to partying with your friends. But the benefits of getting good sleep is as important as the benefits of not smoking and not eating junk food. A study by neurology professor Ying-Hui Fu discovered a mutation in the gene DEC2 in a family of natural short sleepers who can function properly with 4 to 8 hours of sleep. But unfortunately, there are only 4 out of 100k people with these genes mutation. To understand the complex nature of sleep, we have to know what actually happens when you are sleeping. Our immune system is developed by a joint functions of tissues, organs, and cells for the protection of body. Sleep exerts a strong regulatory influence on immune functions. Various pathogens constantly attack living organisms and immune system keeps the organism existent. And how does it do it? There are natural killer cells present in our body. Natural killer cells are innate lymphocytes that represent the first line of defense against tumor cells and viral infections. They are very good at identifying dangerous elements and eliminating them. These are essential in the early immune response against viral infections through the clearance of virus infected cells. So you wish for a viral set of these immune assassins, but unfortunately you don't have them if you are not sleeping enough. An experiment was done to measure the effect of sleep on these natural killer cells. Researchers didn't deprive the participants for entire night. What they did was restrict their sleep to 4 hours for one single night. and there was 70% decrease in natural killer cells activity. So we require improved sleep habit to make immune system efficient for a healthy life. It is widely explored by fitness trainer that sleep affects your muscle growth, but sleep plays a major role not only in muscle growth but in your complete body growth and function. Very first thing is your pituitary gland, which is right below your brain. It rushes the production of HGH, human growth hormone. Growth hormone is released much more when you are sleeping than when you are awake. In man, approximately 70% of the HGH pulses during sleep coincide with slow wave sleep. When growth hormone is released from the pituitary gland, it tells the liver to release a second hormone called insulin-like IGF-1, growth factor 1. Together, growth hormone and growth factor tells the bones, muscles and other organs and tissues to grow by adding more cells. It helps in muscle growth, bone growth and fat metabolism. And we all get it for free when we are sleeping. So your muscles are not growing when you are working out, or you are not losing weight while doing exercise. It all happens when you are sleeping. But when you don't get enough sleep, it causes changes to hormones that regulate hunger and appetite. Sleep deprivation reduces hormone leptin. Leptin is a hormone released from fat cells. It suppresses appetite and encourages the body to expend energy. On the other hand, the hormone ghrelin goes up when you are short on sleep, which triggers feeling of hunger. People with short sleep have reduced leptin and elevated ghrelin. These differences in leptin and ghrelin also explain the increased BMI observed with short sleep duration. But there are some cases where people have normal body mass index while having short sleep routines. A study was done in University Hospital in Sweden to find if there is an association between shift work and having a metabolic syndrome. The study was done on 27,000 subjects. It was found in the study that obesity, high triglycerides, and low concentration of HDL cholesterol seem to cluster together more often in shift workers than in day workers. World Health Organization, based on the reports from the International Agency for Research on Cancer, clearly stated that shift work involving disruption of normal sleep routine is currently classified as an IARC 2A carcinogen, which means that these short sleep routines are probably causing cancer. So while you might be thinking you are doing great, you can be at the risk of having cancer. Many of us are not getting enough sleep because we want to work more and more, but we are not working efficiently because we are not getting enough sleep. Does it sound like a bad pattern? What if you could take a pill that improved your productivity at work, and these pills are for free? They can make you feel really good and improve your overall health. Sorry to disappoint you, but no such pill exists. What we do have is an alternative called sleep, which is supported by science and not your wishful thinking. But contrary to that, we are trying to be productive and trying to do more work. First thing we cut back on our daily routine is sleep. We have to understand that sleep relates to cognitive function and productivity. As a study by America Insomnia Survey found that insomnia is associated with substantial workplace cost. They analyze it in terms of productivity and the financial outcome. There is an estimate of $63.2 billion lost annually due to the lack of productivity because of sleep deprivation. As sleep scientist Dr. Matthew Carter said, you are able to get more done on a good night's sleep, not less. The two most widely studied cognitive domains in sleep deprivation research are attention and working memory. Both attention and working memory are linked to the functioning of frontal lobes, which is implicated in complex behaviors including planning and greatly contributes to personality development. Since the frontal brain areas are vulnerable to sleep deprivation, it can be hypothesized that both attention and working memory are impaired during prolonged wakefulness. So, if you are sleeping less, you are acting less human. It was found in a study that difference in learning between a group having slept for 8 hours and a group having pulled an all-nighters is 40%. There's an informational inbox in brain called hippocampus. Its activity was much more in sleep-rich and none in sleep-deprived brain. Brain spindles in deep sleep make file transfers, which helps in retaining information. According to researcher Benjamin Storm, the ability to retrieve and generate information that is wanted, relevant, and appropriate is made possible by the ability to remove the information that is unwanted, irrelevant, and inappropriate.
This is my hard drive, and it only makes sense to put things in there that are useful. Really useful. Ordinary people fill their heads with all kinds of rubbish, and that makes it hard to get at the stuff that matters. Do you see?
This waste disposal also takes place in brain while we are sleeping. New research from Boston University suggests that something amazing happens within your brain while you are sleeping. Your neurons will go quiet. A few seconds later, blood will flow out of your head, then a watery liquid called cerebrospinal fluid will flow in, washing through your brain in rhythmic pulsing waves. This also helps in clearing the plaques in brain, especially beta amyloid. Beta amyloid is a protein which actually involved in Alzheimer's disease. When we think of fitness, we always look up to professional athletes. Let's see what they have to say about the importance of sleep in athletic performance. For elite athletes, sleep is the greatest performance enhancing drug of all. Usain Bolt stated in one of his interviews that one of the world record he broke, he had been awake for only 45 minutes before the race, and he also slept for 9 to 10 hours. Roger Federer sleeps for 10 hours at night and 2 hours during daytime. Famous basketball player LeBron James sleeps 11 to 12 hours a day. And Maria Sharapova also stated, I'm always on the go. I love doing things until I hit the rock bottom. Then I need my 12 hours of sleep and I'm on the go again. The quality of your sleep directly affects your mental and physical health and the quality of your waking life, including your productivity, emotional balance, brain, heart health, immune function, creativity, vitality, and even your weight. No other activity delivers so much benefit with so little efforts. The good news is that you don't have to choose between health and productivity. By addressing any sleep problems and making time to get the sleep, your energy, efficiency, and overall health will go up. Your job and sleep is complementary of each other. Just like earning a living is necessary requirement of human life, having healthy sleep and renovation of your bodily organs and mental faculties is an essential requirement of a healthy life. In sleep for hours, we remain in unbroken response. Body is renewing its lost energies and laying in a fresh store for coming day. Tiredness is getting replaced by strength and all the mental faculties are getting recruited. When you think like that, it sounds like you are creating science fiction, but that might not be crazy to think about. Our bodies are complex that it will take so much time to fully grasp the knowledge of all of it. Until then, we can assume that we can be a product of fiction that somehow turned into reality. So next time you see someone sleeping, make believe you are in a science fiction movie and whisper, the creature is regenerating itself.